gonna call this bitch right now. Deborah! I just wanted to call you and say that your microwave is a fucking retard. And you need to get a new one because it burned the first bag of popcorn that I cooked, and then the second one I put it in for like half the time, and it burned. All right, I gotta go. Hello? No? I'm in the house. What are you doing? Where are you? Who are you with? Whose dick are you sucking? Mine? Oh, sweet. Where are you? Hey. Where are you?